Hi, it's Adam Heller, creator of Zero Pain Now and author of the book, Adam Heller, Zero Pain Now. Welcome to the video. One of the questions I get all the time is, if I use Zero Pain Now to heal my pain, do I still need my chiropractor? And the answer is absolutely no, because when you understand what's really causing your pain, and that's what I'm going to teach you in Zero Pain Now, is what's really causing it. And you're going to find out that in 97% of the cases we've researched, it has nothing to do with your spine or your knee or your foot or your elbow or your arm or any of these parts of the body. It originates in your brain, and then there are actual physical changes that cause pain, burning, tingling, numbness, weakness, any or all of those things. So when you understand those things, you can take care of it at the place it originates, in your brain, rather than trying to work on a symptom. Chiropractors are great people. I get lots of referrals from chiropractors to Zero Pain Now. Unfortunately, they don't help eliminating chronic, recurrent, ongoing, repetitive pain. So today's a great day for you to learn what's really causing your pain so you can heal your own pain yourself. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a scientist. I've spent the last 12 or 13 years studying your brain, neuroscience, neurolinguistics, coaching, psychology, positive psychology, meditation, all these things, and what's really going on in your brain that creates stress, that creates tension, that creates anxiety. Then there are these physical changes that result in pain. You can learn this very quickly. Do an easy process. Eliminate your pain. Stop the pain management. Chiropractors, physical therapy, pain management. Some temporary relief, then the pain comes back. Zero Pain Now is pain banishment. Today's your day to take control of your life. Today's your day to feel great, to be in your pain. Haven't you suffered enough? Aren't you ready to do this today? I have a huge vision, a huge mission at Zero Pain Now. 10 million people pain-free in the next 3 years. I need to help you heal your pain so you can help me reach my mission. Let's do it together. I'll be there with you 100%. Thanks for watching this video. Here's to your pain-free life. I'll see you pain-free.